Welcome to the ultimate guide on how to install N8N on your Mac. In this video, we'll explore what N8N is and its exciting features. Before we dive in, let's go over the system requirements for installing N8N on your Mac. First, we need to install Homebrew, which will help us manage our packages. Open your terminal and paste the installation command shown on the screen. Now that Homebrew is set up, let's install Node.js and npm. Type the command as displayed on your screen. With Node.js and npm ready, it's time to install N8N. Simply run the npm install command displayed here. Next, let's look at the configuration settings for N8N. This includes setting up your environment variables for a smooth workflow. To start the N8N service locally, run the command provided in this scene. This will launch your N8N instance. Once the service is running, open your browser and go to the N8N web interface at the specified URL. Now, let's create your first workflow. I'll guide you through the steps in this intuitive interface. Finally, if you encounter installation issues, don't worry. Here are some common problems and their solutions.